Here's the deal for 2025. There's a straightforward path to earning $1,000 in monthly dividends faster than you might expect. Yes, you heard that right. Your money can work for you, generating a steady stream of passive income. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest path to earning $1,000 in monthly dividend in 2025. And no, this isn't just another run-of-the-mill advice session. I'll give you practical tips, real data, and examples to get you moving. Whether you're new to this or already have some investments, this guide will simplify everything for you. So grab your coffee, stick with me, and let's jump into dividend investing. By the end, you'll have a clear plan to start making those monthly checks a reality. Chapter 1. Understanding Dividend Philosophy. So, what's the deal with dividends? Let's keep it simple. They're like a thank you gift from companies to shareholders for owning part of the business. These payments come out of the company's profits and are a fantastic way to earn passive income. But here's the thing. Not all dividend stocks are created equal. Some are all about high yields, giving you bigger payouts right now, while others are more about dividend growth, slowly but surely upping their payouts. Take Enbridge, for instance, with its 6.4% yield. Perfect if you're looking for income now. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Reinvesting dividends. Instead of pocketing the cash, you reinvest it to buy more shares. This leads to a snowball effect, where your dividends start earning even more dividends. That's compounding for you. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a forest. Don't overlook the dividend yield, which shows how much you get back in dividends compared to the stock price. A high yield isn't always the best choice. It's about finding that sweet spot between payout and company health. Dividend investing is cool because you're not just hoping the stock price goes up, you're making money while you wait. And that's the real magic. Chapter 2. Setting a goal. $1,000 monthly dividends. Alright, let's crunch some numbers. To hit that $1,000 a month in dividends, you'll need to know how much to invest. Here's how it works. Take your monthly goal, $1,000, and divide it by the average yield of your stocks. With a 6% yield, you're looking at needing around $200,000 invested. That might sound like a lot, but it's doable with a strategy. Start by investing regularly. Even if it's $200 or $500 each month, those amounts add up. Use dollar cost averaging to invest over time, smoothing out the market's ups and downs. Then, balance your portfolio with high-yield stocks for quick income and dividend growth stocks for future gains. Realty Income gives you monthly payouts, while Pfizer gradually increases dividends. Spread your investments across different sectors to cushion against market volatility. Hitting $1,000 monthly dividends won't happen overnight. But with consistent effort and smart picks, you can build that income stream. It's all about steady progress, not instant perfection. Chapter 3. Choosing the right dividend stocks. Now, about picking those dividend stocks. Not all are made the same, so here's how to choose wisely. Start with high-yield stocks. They offer bigger dividends right away, perfect for immediate income. Think of Enbridge with its 6.4% yield, or WP Carey at nearly 6%. These companies have stable cash flows, making them reliable during tough times. Then there are monthly dividend payers, like Realty Income, known as the Monthly Dividend Company for its long history of payouts. Others to consider are EPR Properties and LTC Properties. For long-term growth, look at dividend growth stocks. Pfizer, for instance, has increased dividends for 15 straight years. Even if the current yield isn't the highest, their growth makes them solid picks. To select the best stocks, check the dividend payout ratio. A ratio below 60% means the company can still grow or weather downturns while paying dividends. Next, Assess the financial health of the company. Are they profitable? Is their debt under control? Tractor Supply, with its 42% payout ratio and growing sales, is a good example. Finally, diversify. Invest in various sectors like energy, healthcare, and real estate to mitigate risk. If one sector falters, others might hold strong. By mixing high yield, monthly, and growth stocks, you're crafting a portfolio that matches your income goals. Remember, you're not just investing in stocks, you're building a reliable income source. With the right choices, that $1,000 a month dividend goal isn't just a dream, it's achievable. Chapter 4: Strategies to Accelerate Dividend Growth. Let's dive into some strategies to speed up your journey to $1,000 in monthly dividends. It's not just about which stocks you choose. How you handle your investments is crucial. Reinvest your dividends. Think of reinvesting dividends as putting your money back into the game. Instead of cashing out, you use those dividends to buy more shares. This way, your dividends start earning more dividends, creating a compounding effect. It's a straightforward way to grow your income without additional investment. Use dollar cost averaging. This means investing the same amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. When prices are low, you get more shares for your money. When they're high, you get fewer, but your overall investment grows steadily. This method removes emotion from investing, helping you build wealth over time. Focus on quality. High yields can be seductive, but they're not always sustainable. Seek out companies with a solid payout ratio and a track record of reliable dividends. Realty Income, with its decades-long history of monthly payments, is a prime example. Stay consistent. Markets will fluctuate, but consistency pays off. Keep investing regularly, reinvest your dividends, and give time a chance to work its magic. By employing these tactics, you're not just collecting dividends, you're setting up a system that grows your income year by year. Stick to these strategies, and you'll see those monthly dividends accumulate faster than you might expect. Chapter 5: Practical Plan to Reach $1,000 per month. Here's how to make that $1,000 a month in dividends a reality with a practical plan. First, determine how much you can invest monthly. Even if it's $500, consistency matters. Use dollar cost averaging to grow your portfolio without trying to time the market. Next, decide on your stock mix. Balancing high-yield stocks like Enbridge and WP Carey with growth stocks like Pfizer, and including monthly payers like Realty Income, gives you a well-rounded approach. Let's look at some numbers. If you invest $11,400 in 3 high-yield stocks, averaging an 8.8% yield, you're looking at $1,000 in annual dividends, or $83 monthly. Now, imagine scaling that up. With regular investments and dividend reinvestment, you'll reach that $1,000 monthly goal sooner. Reinvesting is key. Use your dividends to buy more shares and watch that compounding effect take over. Your investment grows, and so does your income. Okay, this plan might seem simple, but it's effective. It's about building a consistent, reliable income stream. Stick with it, and that $1,000 monthly dividend could soon be your reality. Chapter 6: Pitfalls to Avoid. Dividend investing can be thrilling, but watch out for these common missteps that can derail your progress. First off, don't just chase the highest yields. A stock with an 8% or 10% yield might look amazing, but it could be a red flag. Often, these high yields signal a company in distress, potentially leading to dividend cuts. Look for a balanced yield with stability, like Enbridge's 6.4%, which is backed by consistent cash flow. Beware of over-concentration. If all your money is in one sector, like energy or real estate, you're setting yourself up for trouble if that sector slumps. Diversify by spreading your investments across different industries such as healthcare, utilities, and tech to safeguard your income. Don't overlook a company's financial health. Check their payout ratios and debt levels. If a company is paying out more than it's earning or has too much debt, its dividends might not be sustainable. Stocks like Realty Income and Tractor Supply exemplify good financial health with reliable dividends. Lastly, avoid panicking during market dips. Selling in a downturn can lock in losses. Keep your eyes on the long-term prize. These dips can actually be buying opportunities. Steering clear of these pitfalls will help you maintain a robust and growing income stream. And that was all about your $1,000 dividend making guide. If this video was useful, share your dividend goals in the comments. I'm eager to hear how you're planning to reach that $1,000 monthly target. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investment wisdom. Now, it's your turn to act. Begin with small, consistent steps, and let's turn your dividend dream into reality.